In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view commit history on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your GitHub account. So navigate to your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, you should see the option to sign in at the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to log into your account. All right, now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your repositories. From here, you'll want to click on the specific repository that you're interested in inspecting. Just scroll through your list of repositories until you find the one you want to dive into. Once you locate it, give it a click and you'll be directed to that repository's main page. Now we're getting to the good part. Take a look at the top of your repository page. Here, you should see a navigation menu, and within this menu, you're looking for a section labeled Commits. It's often situated near other tabs like Code, Issues, or Pull Requests. Click on the Commits tab. Once you've clicked on it, you will see a chronological list of all the changes made to the project. This list is handy because it gives you a detailed overview of the entire history of commits. Each entry in this list will display a few key pieces of information. You'll see the name of the contributor who made each change, the commit message they wrote summarizing the change, and of course, the date and time when the change occurred. As you scroll through the commit history, you can click on any of the individual commits if you want to see more details. This may include specific changes to files, comments made by the contributor, or even a comparison of the code before and after the commit. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're trying to understand the evolution of the project or if you're troubleshooting an issue that arose after a specific change. And that's it. You now know how to view commit history on GitHub. This process not only gives you insights into what changes have been made, but also who made them and why. It can be a great way to learn best practices from others or simply keep track of the project's progress and contributions if you're collaborating with a team. Make sure to dive deeper into the details of each commit whenever necessary. It can really enhance your understanding of the development process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on using GitHub or other coding resources, stick around, subscribe, and like the video. Your support means a lot.